Keeping your Samsung Galaxy battery healthy is one of the best ways to extend your phone's lifespan. In this guide, I'll show you how to stop your phone from charging past 80% using Samsung's built-in battery protection feature in just a few simple steps. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Battery and tap on it. Inside the battery menu, look for Battery Protection. This feature is designed to help reduce battery wear by limiting how much your phone charges. Tap Battery Protection to open its settings. Next, turn the feature on by tapping the toggle switch at the top of the screen. After enabling it, you'll see several battery protection options. Choose Maximum to limit your phone's charging to 80%. This setting helps reduce long-term battery degradation by preventing the battery from staying at a full charge for extended periods. While you may lose a little battery capacity during the day, this trade-off can significantly improve your battery's overall lifespan. If your Samsung Galaxy is running One UI 7.0 or a newer version, you'll have even more flexibility. Instead of a fixed 80% limit, Samsung allows you to use a slider to choose a charging limit of 80%, 85%, 90% or 95% depending on your preference and daily usage. Once you've selected your preferred charging limit, simply exit the Settings app. Your phone will automatically stop charging when it reaches the selected percentage, so there's nothing else you need to do. Your phone is ready. Thanks for watching and goodbye.